Hey guys, how's it going? It's Marketing Johnson here. So I'm challenging myself from this date on. What's the date today? It is 12th of March. 12th of March, can you see that? Probably not. I'm going to upload to TikTok 30 days in a row, one video per day, and we're going to see what that does. It's in the finance niche, which is a very popular kind of niche, a very competitive niche. So I'm going to upload every single day for 30 days, and we're going to see how many followers I get, what kind of videos make views, what we learn from this whole experience. Will I be TikTok famous? Will my name have to change to Charlie Marketing D'Amelio? Who knows? We will see. 30 days, let's do it. I'm mainly making this video so that it keeps me motivated to do it. You know, if now that I've put this on camera, I kind of have to do it, you know, so this is why I'm doing this video. It's for my own purpose. It's for my own gains, you know. Boom, guys, 30 days are up. Let's talk about the amazing results that I got from doing this. Okay, so let me give you some context here, okay? I committed to uploading to TikTok 30 days in a row. Now, like once a day. Now, here are my results from that, how much money I made, how many followers I gained, and what other cool, interesting stuff actually came out of this. Now guys, firstly, let me come clean about something. I'm sorry to disappoint, but I did not get some crazy amount of views or anything like that, you know. I got just a reasonable amount, you know. I didn't have any videos that went viral. I'm still waiting for my viral video to happen on my TikTok account. But you know, I think that's a good thing because it's more relatable to you guys. This is something you can expect to do, what I've done in the 30 days. It's a very realistic goal, and I think everyone watching has a very good chance of easily being able to do what I've done in 30 days on TikTok, if not more. So if you want to give TikTok a go, I think this is a great video that you need to watch. Now, why I think this video is different is most videos on YouTube talking about TikTok or their story on TikTok, it involves someone blowing up massively or having one viral video that gets a ton of views, okay? That did not happen to me, unfortunately. Okay, so in the 30 days, I went from 2,000 followers on TikTok to 4,000 followers on TikTok. A very realistic goal for you guys if you want to try this. Now, you may think that's not very much at all, and it's not really compared to a lot of people that blow up on TikTok. But I did get a whole lot out of this. You can be very surprised on how much money I made and the actual opportunities and things that came from me doing this on TikTok. Now guys, I'm not going to drag these numbers out for too long, okay? I'm going to tell you right now exactly how much I made and what I got out of this. But then after that, we can talk about the challenges I faced doing this and what I learned about monetizing on TikTok and growing on the platform. So in the 30 days, guys, I gained 2,000 followers and I made $318 US. Now that equals about 410 Australian dollars for my Aussie fans. And I did that through a referral program that a stock trading platform that I use has. So affiliate marketing to make that money. It was not through the Creator Fund. Now, what else did I gain out of it? Well, I actually had a journalist from the Daily Mail find my TikToks, start watching them, enjoying them, and then it led her to seeing some of my other content and stuff. So she actually did an article on me, which was really cool, about my house and how I'm making Airbnb money and all this fun stuff. You guys should check out that article. It's actually really awesome. I hope you guys check it out. I'll link it, the first link in the description. So I thought that was really cool as well. Now, I also had my 3 most popular videos through this 30 days. My most viewed videos were in the last 30 days. And one of those was a trend I hopped on. It was actually my girlfriend's idea about Samsung stuffing up. There was a bug in the system and I worked out how to fix it, so I posted it on TikTok, and that video didn't blow up, but it got a substantial amount of views. And then the other 2 videos were about tradies and making money, financial stuff around that area. Now guys, you know, I only gained 2K followers on a platform which is very easy to grow on, so I wouldn't say that's great, but you know, I would say that I did get a whole lot out of this, as you know. I got a lot out of it, and a lot more than the 2,000 followers. Now, I do think I could have made a lot more money affiliate marketing than I actually did. But, you know, I wasn't trying to make money. That wasn't the goal of this. It was just to upload every day for 30 days and see what happens. you know, the money kind of came naturally through a stock trading platform that I already use and a previous video that I just re-uploaded to get some more referrals. Now, if you want to learn more about how I actually monetize this through the stock trading platform using affiliate marketing, check out this video here. I go through and sort of break it down and show you exactly how to do it, the best ways to make money on TikTok. It's definitely not through the creator fund, let me tell you. So guys, what have I learned in the last 30 days? Number one being growing on the platform, adding a viral sound to your videos makes a massive difference, okay? It really pushes it out to a whole lot more people. I think it's amazing, and that's something I didn't know before, and obviously it's working a lot better for me because I had the 3 most viewed videos since trying this. Now, number 2 would be TikTok has an amazing algorithm. It's like it knows. It's like it has some kind of AI technology. It just knows what your video is about before it even gets pushed to anyone. It's crazy. It's really smart. So the whole idea of putting hashtags in your video, I haven't found hashtags to make a big difference at all with promoting the video or helping it grow. I think TikTok just somehow knows what your video is about and pushes it out to those people. However, I still do put around about 3 hashtags on each video. Guys, number 3, everyone seems to think that the way to make money on TikTok is through the creator fund. Well, that is so far from the truth. It's like saying that Beheezer is not a dropshipping god, because that just doesn't make sense. As you can see in these 2 videos, guys, there are much better ways to make money on TikTok. Don't even worry about the creator fund. It's such little money, it doesn't even matter. There's way better ways to monetize on TikTok, so check out those videos. They'll be linked in the description. That will guide you through how to affiliate market on TikTok and how to merge a TikTok with a dropshipping store and use that to generate sales. Guys, number 4, jumping on trends is super, super important. And I'm not talking about the dancing trends, okay? I'm talking about, well, I'm in the financial niche, so you've got to somehow, whatever trend that I can swing to like being somehow related to finance, okay? Let's look at some examples here. One of my most viewed videos is when Samsung actually had a bug, and I sort of worked out how to fix it on my phone, and then I posted on TikTok. If anyone's got the same problem, this is what you do, and that went viral because just a lot of people were having that problem. Well, it didn't go viral, but it did well. It did a lot better than my other videos. Now, it's not really a trend, but it's kind of a something that happened that a lot of people needed to know in that day or so. Let's look at another example. The Financial Wolf. You guys probably heard of him before. He's an awesome YouTuber. He actually jumped on the whole Jake Paul versus Ben Askren fight. And if you have a look at his TikTok page, he posted like a day or so before betting $100 on Jake Paul. Sorry, not Ben Askren. He would have lost that 100 if he bet on Ben Askren. But yeah, so he jumped on that trend, and that got 1.4 million views, okay? And then he made a couple of videos after that, all related to the fight, and they all got massive amounts of views, over 100,000, over 100,000. And to give you some perspective, a lot of his other videos are only getting like 20,000 views. So that really, from 20,000 to 1.4 million, just from jumping on a trend, that's pretty good. Man, he did a great job of it. And you guys have probably seen out there, there's also tons of people jumping on the Dogecoin and just crypto in general trend. They're obviously getting tons and tons of views from that. If you've got something to say about Dogecoin or crypto, it's a great trend at the moment because there's a lot of news out there of, about Dogecoin and stuff. It's a great trend to jump on. A lot of people in my space are doing that and getting a lot of views. So guys, that's what I learned from doing TikTok for 30 days in a row. Okay, I enjoyed this challenge. I thought it was great. I'm very proud of myself for actually uploading every single day. Now, it's time to set myself a new challenge, okay? Starting on the 20th of the 4th, 21, I'm going to upload to TikTok twice a day for 30 days. So we're going to see what happens. My goal is to get to 10,000 followers. And I'm going to try and make $2,000 on the platform. But that's not super important. I'm not worried about the money here. I'm just trying to upload twice a day, reasonable videos, but I think we can get to 10,000 followers pretty easily. But we will see. I'm excited to see where this goes. Maybe I get a viral video and we get to 100,000 followers. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Much appreciated. Remember to get your free stock with Stake if you're outside of the US, because Webull and stuff doesn't work. Stake's the one I use. It's a great way just to get started. You can either click the link in the description and sign up for Stake, or you can just use my referral code when you download the app and you sign up, MarkJ744. You get 3 stocks that you could get. You spin your wheel. I hope you get Nike. I really do. But most people are getting GoPro or Dropbox, which is still pretty good. GoPro is a $13 US stock, and Dropbox I think is like 28, 26 USD at the moment. So it's pretty good for just signing up, and you got to deposit $50. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.